What begins as a routine drive is about to change. From nowhere, a red VW Golf cuts across a bus, then swerves directly in front of our dashcam driver. But it doesn't end there. The Golf again comes to a dead stop in the middle of the road. The bus driver pulls up alongside, unleashing a furious shout through the window. For a moment, it's a full-on standoff. And then, just as suddenly as it began, the Golf speeds away.
I might be doing some downloading while you're on there, babe, and sending that on.
What was he doing?
Want to win one of these? That's right, we're giving away a Vantrue N4 Pro Dashcam. This powerhouse has your back with incredible front, interior, rear recording. We've put it through its paces in our full review. Everything you need to know. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is watch our Vantrue N4 Pro review video and leave a comment telling us what you love most about it or why you need one. This is open to UK residents only, and the closing date is the October 15th, 2025. Don't miss out. Link to the review video is in the description. Good luck!